In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage customer relationships with Zoho CRM. If you have ever felt like customer communication gets scattered across emails, notes, and calendars, Zoho CRM helps you bring that information together in one place. The goal is simple: log what happened, schedule what is next, and review the full history whenever you need it. To begin, log into your Zoho CRM account. This is the first step, because you need access to the dashboard and modules where customer records live. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm that you are in the correct environment, such as the CRM workspace you use for your day-to-day sales and support work. Next, click on the Contacts or Accounts module tab. This step matters because Zoho CRM organizes people and companies in different ways. If you are working with an individual customer, you will typically start with Contacts. If you are managing relationships by company or organization, Accounts is usually the best starting point. Look for the module tabs near the top of the interface and select the one that matches the type of customer record you want to update. After you choose the right module, open the customer record. You will see a customer profile page with sections designed to capture your work. This is where you log calls, send emails, or add notes. When you open the record, focus on the timeline and notes sections because that is where you record new communication and important updates. Logging calls helps your team understand exactly what was discussed. Sending emails and saving them to the record keeps the conversation traceable. Adding notes ensures that any context, decisions, or follow-up expectations are captured for future reference. Now, once your notes and communication are recorded, you should schedule follow-up tasks, calls, or events. In Zoho CRM, this is done using the Activities-related list. After you open the customer record and scroll to the Activities area, look for the related list that shows upcoming and past activity. Scheduling follow-ups is important because it keeps your pipeline moving and prevents leads from being forgotten. Whether you need a quick task, a scheduled call, or a full event, setting it here keeps everything tied to the right customer. As you schedule those items, make sure the activity is associated with the correct customer record. This may involve selecting the customer or verifying that the activity is already linked to the profile you are viewing. Take a moment to choose the right type of activity and set it to the correct date and time. This way, you and your team have a clear plan for what happens next, and you can track progress without searching through multiple tools. Finally, track past interactions, deals, and communication history directly from the customer profile page. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Zoho CRM because you can review everything in one view. On the profile page, check the sections that summarize communication history and related items. You can review past calls, emails saved to the timeline, notes, and any associated deal information. This helps you understand the customer's journey, your current relationship stage, and what has already been agreed upon. When you are preparing for a new conversation, this review step saves time and improves accuracy. It helps you avoid repeating questions, and it ensures you are consistent with prior discussions. You can also use it to see whether a follow-up activity is already scheduled, which reduces the risk of duplicate work. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.